Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick mixing manual espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump, the one that you see right here. This water pump was not able to push water and into the group head and it was not able to do coffee. So we replaced that and now let's test it out. Starting with 1 shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're consider coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, it went to the A bar, but it's definitely going to be too fast, as you know. I didn't really tamper it very well, or probably didn't use enough coffee. So let me redo that again. I'll be right back. Perfect. Welcome back. I increased the grind settings as well as increase the quantity of the coffee. So this time we should be able to see a better shot. Probably at this time I tempered it too hard, so we're having the opposite problem. It's going to barely drip, but as it channels through the portafilter, we will be able to see a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, and we're gonna be able to see some crema forming at the bottom of the cup, as you can see right there. Pressure of the machine is constant, 8 to 9 bars, which is perfect. Good shot of espresso, nice gray layer of crepe, as you can see right there. Really great color. Looking perfectly fine. Excellent flow coming out of the group head and just working. Now to test the steamer. As you can see, machine is steaming really good. Instantly, working the way it's supposed to. Working great. And there you have it, quick mixing manual working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.